The INBook X3 Slim is Infinix's latest entry-level ultra-portable notebook, and it comes with some interesting features. Let's dive into the details. The INBook X3 Slim features a sleek and attractive design with an all-metal construction. It's impressively slim, measuring just 14.8 mm thick and lightweight at 1.24 kilograms. The laptop comes in 4 appealing colors: Cosmic Blue, Noble Red, Starfall Gray, and Aurora Green. While it's not as solid as a MacBook Air, the build quality is decent. The laptop boasts a 14-inch 1920 x 1080 resolution IPS display with 100% sRGB coverage and 300 nits of peak brightness. The sRGB color coverage is excellent, providing accurate color representation. However, the display has a noticeable blue color cast, which can be adjusted with Windows 11's Nightlight feature. The actual brightness is measured at around 240 nits, which is lower than the advertised 300 nits. The panel's response times are not very fast, causing motion blur during movement on the screen. The laptop features a chiclet-style keyboard with dedicated keys for functions like insert, pause, break, and scroll lock. The backlighting is off by default and turns off after a short 20-second timer. The trackpad works well but has a slightly rough surface, and its extra width can sometimes lead to accidental touches. Unfortunately, there's no fingerprint sensor for added security. The INBook X3 Slim is available with 3 CPU options: Intel Core i3-1215U, Core i5-1235U, and Core i7-1255U. The difference between the CPUs is relatively minor, with power limits of 15W for all variants. Memory options range from 8GB LPDDR4X to 16GB, with the i3 model offering only 8GB. Storage options include 256GB and 512GB for the i3 and 512GB for the i5 and i7 models. The laptop features dual USB-A and dual USB-C ports labeled as USB 3.0, 5 Gbps transfer speed, an HDMI 1.4 port, an audio jack, and a micro SD slot. It supports Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.1. The laptop has down-firing speakers that sound tinny, but the headphone jack offers good sound quality. It comes with Windows 11 Home Edition with minimal pre-installed bloatware. However, Infinix's website lacks information and downloads for drivers and updates, which can be frustrating for users. The INBook X3 Slim performs surprisingly well for everyday tasks such as browsing, document work, and media consumption. It has a 50 mAh battery, providing around 5 hours of battery life for office work and approximately 7.5 hours for media consumption. The laptop supports 65W USB-C charging, but may take longer to charge than expected in some cases. The INBook X3 Slim is a compelling entry-level notebook with a sleek design and good performance for its price range. While it has some minor drawbacks, it offers excellent value for users looking for a budget-friendly, portable laptop.